This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: do not allow antifreeze to come in contact with your skin or painted surfaces of the vehicle. Rinse off spills immediately with plenty of water. Draining: apply the parking brake and block the wheels. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool down before beginning the procedure. Once the engine is completely cool, remove the expansion tank cap. Loosen the cooling system bleed screw, located in a small hose attached to the water outlet at the left end, or driver's side, of the cylinder head. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Attach a length of hose to the drain fitting to direct the coolant into the container, then open the drain fitting. After the old coolant has completely drained from the system, close and tighten the radiator drain fitting. Flushing: fill the cooling system with clean water. Tighten the bleed screw. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool completely, then drain the system as described earlier. Repeat this flushing process until the water being drained is free of contaminants. Be sure to loosen the bleed screw when filling and tighten the bleed screw before turning on the engine. Refilling: close and tighten the radiator drain. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. With the bleed screw loose, slowly add new coolant, a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze, until the coolant flows from the bleed screw. Then tighten the bleed screw and continue to fill the expansion tank to the max fill mark. Install the expansion tank cap and run the engine at 2500 RPM for 10 minutes. Caution: if at any time the engine begins to overheat or the coolant level falls below the minimum fill line mark on the expansion tank, turn off the engine, allow it to cool completely, then add coolant to the expansion tank to the max fill line. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level to the max fill mark on the expansion tank, and repeat if necessary. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for leaks.